Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add some more Ethernet ports to your existing internet router. So what you need is one of these. It's called an Ethernet splitter or an internet splitter. The most important thing is that it must have an extra power source. So I'm going to show you how to plug this in. First off, simply plug an Ethernet cable into one of the ports and then plug that straight into your router, like so. Now this particular splitter is powered by USB, so you can plug that straight into your laptop, phone charger, the back of your TV, or in this case our router has a USB port, so that's convenient too. So I'm gonna plug that straight in somewhere here. There we are. And now we've got 4 extra Ethernet ports, and that's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.